Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So this is an ultrasonic cleaner. You can use this for jewelry. I like to use them for my retainers that I have to wear every single night. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. So it is this model right there. Okay, so it comes with little tweezers to pick everything out, a little cleaner, user manual. This is the ultrasonic device itself. You can see, I really like this. You can see it holds up to where the max line is. You want to fill that up with water. So all you do, you plug this in back here, which I do like the fact that it does have this protector, because the one that I have right now does not. So when I'm like cleaning out the inside, I'm having to hold this with my finger to clean it out. With this, you're just going to be able to put this in and then clean it out really good. So that is awesome. So let me go ahead. You never want to clean these out with it plugged in or fill it up with water. But let me go ahead and show you how to use it. Okay, so as you can see, I filled it right under the max line. And then I'm going to use this cleaner solution. It is for your retainers. And so this is what it looks like. So I will link them both down in the description box below. It says you want to add 2 to 3 drops. So if you look at right there, 2 to 3 drops inside there. So let's go ahead, open this up and put in the drops. So as you can see, we're just going to put 1, 2, 3 drops. That's all it takes. And then you're going to grab your retainers, put them in there, and then go ahead and start it, and it'll automatically turn off once it's done. If you open it, it makes it a little quieter if you just close that. And this is for retainers, dentures, mouth guards, Invisalign, pacifier tips, and all dental applicants. It's non-toxic, and it has all this stuff. So it removes 99.9% bacteria. Like it says, this is great for pacifiers too if you're a mom, because your kids are always dropping their pacifiers. Definitely get one of these, and then just get the solution to go with it. So as you can see, when it turns red, that's when you know it's finished. And then look how clean these are. They look like brand new. And when you wear them, they will get like a white film. And to get rid of it, just get you one of those. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.